Hi, I'm Steve, and this is PAL. PAL is a restless device perfect for children. It provides nighttime comfort using non-disruptive lighting patterns. Children often need some light in order to feel a sense of safety and security in the absence of their parents being physically present. PAL does this in a way that supports children's mental development and provides a comforting reassurance to parents.
One of the best features about PAL is the light rhythm that is given to the children. A lot of children, they're very worried about falling asleep in the dark, and one of the things that PAL will support them with is having a soothing light, and between themselves or their parents they can actually control that's going to give them enough lights to feel comfortable but not too much that they're unable to fall asleep in a natural, soothing way.
We know sometimes kids have bad dreams and wake up in the middle of the night. The distress detector in PAL monitors the sound in the room, recognizes changes in the audio levels, and automatically reactivates PAL to help soothe your child back to sleep. PAL's built-in motion sensor will monitor sleep activity and send data to your smart device via the dedicated mobile app. Perfect for keeping track of how much sleep you or your child is getting.
PAL has many great features, but the best feature of PAL is that anyone can use it, whether you're a kid, whether you're a teenager, or whether you're an adult. When we first started talking to people about PAL, I was surprised to hear how many adults actually wanted it for themselves, because everyone needs to sleep, and a device that works with you on how you sleep, gives you the right light patterns, the right combination of audio, and the ability to shut off on its own is exactly what everyone needs to get a good night's sleep.
Connect PAL to your smart device wirelessly using your home's Wi-Fi. Any data you want to send to PAL can be done from your mobile or tablet device. We think that it's great for parents and caregivers who want to record their own voice and have it play back at bedtime. Your child can listen to your own voice while they sleep.
He didn't want to work at all, and he built his house out of straw. The second little pig worked a little bit harder, but he was somewhat lazy too. He built his house out of sticks.
What I like most about PAL is that it stands alone. You don't need to have it plugged into an outlet. So if your bedside table is nowhere near an outlet, you can still put PAL next to you. It's not going to be a problem. And it works 3 to 5 days on a full charge, and that's really important.
So that's PAL. We have a great product, an amazing team, and now we're ready to take PAL into pre-production. But we need your support to make this a reality. Thank you.
Shanren Discovery Pro is more than a revolution. The first high-precision GPS bike computer with lighting system combination. Discovery Pro integrates detachable anti-glare headlighting, which illuminate near and far-field optics lighting. The color varies according to different speed intervals. When the speed exceeds 45 km per hour, it turns into flashing red as a speed warning. Discovery Pro also comes with features that allow you to adjust the colors in Shanren Sport app. D-Pro is equipped with algorithms and sensors specially designed to help users track their activities more accurately. 2.7-inch LCD screen, 28 data display, brings outstanding values to the riders. Turn-by-turn navigation available with Shanren Sport app. Track data replay makes you check the cycling data at any point of segment in Shanren Sport app. Call and text notifications from your phone. 96 hours GPS working time. Precision machine water and dust resistance. Discovery Pro represents a cycling safety and smart applications design of bike computer. And now, it's even more powerful.